On tonight's program, ladies and gentlemen, we have something that's going to make you...
President Trump was asked about his own testing.
Yes, it
looks like we are in the transmission is at its highest peak here
is
in
unequivocal evidence of climate change.
For hope. How
There has
dare
become
you?
the largest fire in state history. Nearly
Right
a
now,
500,000 acres
We're
have...
facing a man-made disaster of global scale. Our greatest threat in thousands of years. Climate change.
Your reports where people very much dispute that. You know, you do have scientists that very much dispute it.
Us, life seems to have only one single purpose: gaining time.
By the way, some mistakes will be made along the way. That's good.
And to try to help connect everyone around the world and to bring the world closer together.
Has dropped thermonuclear weapons over the poles.
You're a supervillain.
Is to examine the dominance of Amazon, Apple, Facebook, and Google.
I'm Bill Gates, chairman of Microsoft. In this video, you're going to see the future.
As we call for a more sustainable environment, we aspire to be a cleaner world, a quieter world, a world solely run by electricity, powered by the sun, water and earth. Our streets will be emptied of fossil fuels, from harmful emissions and filled with electric vehicles provided by renewable energy sources. Petrol-powered vehicles will be replaced by autonomous innovation. Our cities will become livelier. We will reverse the effects of climate change. Urban development will be forever altered, with our cities overflowing with greenery and vibrant life. Skyscrapers and structures designed for two reasons: sustainability and energy conservation. Overpopulation on Earth will be an idea of the past. Using modern technology, travel will become more efficient and decrease outputs of harmful gases whilst performing at faster speeds. With water levels rising and land surfaces shrinking, our only option is to colonise the planet surrounding Earth. Our home will not just be Earth, our home will be the universe, an untouched cosmos, redefined by human revolution to create an internal habitat. In the near future, we will create life on Mars, with the pioneering of SpaceX ideologies directing the journey of survival. Our skies will be full of satellites, communicating to our home and away from home. Advanced space technology, led by Silicon Valley tech billionaires and tech extraordinaires, will be the key to building our future homes. We will modify humanity to create a superhuman population, not solely based on appearance, but to survive any disease or environment. Future designer babies will not only be a trend, however a way to ensure preservation of our surroundings, conclusively showcasing the transient nature of mankind. Humans more advanced than ourselves will enable a cleaner universe through the installed mentality of renewability. This is our future.